So, just out for a little walk with the dog, working from home, so it's my lunch break. We're in the local park. For those of you that know, this bench here, Harry's bike, that's the one I rid this bike on. So, let's go to that. Conscious that I haven't been uploading as much recently, but just weather and I've just been busy. I haven't really been able to get on the bikes. Though I did do a review on this bike before. It was only a short and sweet one, so I don't have much info on the bike. Though it'd be a shame not to do one because this bike's actually up for sale and likely to be going tomorrow or this week sometime. So it'd be good as to record it really. So the bike we've got here is a Onza T Pro Trials bike, which I believe is about somewhere between 2008 and 2013. If you've got any info on the type of year this thing was out, let me know. And it's a solid frame, as solid as you can get a trials bike. This thing, it's quite heavy, but that just adds to its stability. What's he doing? The stability and structure. So I bought this one for Zach. When I got it, the previous owner did make me aware of this. I'm not quite sure what happened or what he ate, but there's a good old dent in there, and I think there's a small crack in the frame, though you would not notice. This thing is solid. This thing is like riding a scaffold pole. There's no flex anywhere, and I can assure you that that does not bend. Other than that, the bike itself, you can see the gussets on the thing is so rigid. The weight of it makes it a bit unnerving to like jump up things. Like the Inspired, I can usually get up a lot higher things. This is more of a slow front wheel and on weight up. As I haven't really rode it that much, being Zach's bike. And yeah, some neat things about the bike. The free-ups on the front. Yeah, like most of these little 20-inch trials bikes or mods have the free-up there at the front rather than back, just for better bite. Okay, better bite, and it feels a bit more trusting when you're on the back wheel. It's got two hydraulic brakes, both Magura HS33. The front lever, though, I'm not really sure what HS33 lever this is. I remember HS33 levers like this. So, if anyone knows any more details on that, let me know. The adjustment on this one isn't brilliant, but it's there, and yeah, it's as good as you'll get a rim brake. Some of you are gurus on setting these things up and can probably set them a lot better than they have been set, though the bike itself's pretty cool. It's got this big bash plate underneath, you can see there, what gives great stability when you're jumping up on walls. Like usually when I was riding, I'm known to just use one of these, a little bash guard. You jump up and then you'd have the balance, it'd be off stable a bit because you're only on this piece of metal. Though with this thing, there's true stability and balance, so it's nice just to get up on something and then be able to load your back wheel on. Where again, being only a 20-inch back wheel, there's no trouble chucking that clearance up onto a wall. Pedals are Onza's own pedals. These things are just big platforms with some nice studs in there. Really good and really grippy with Onza's own crank arms. Again, it's built to last, this thing is. It is solid. And yeah, what else do I know about it? So Onza, Onza was about when I was riding, and he's really making these bikes, making them affordable to people, so anyone could start trials. I believe the company's in Derby that make Onza bikes, and now they start making steel frame dirt jump type bikes. So yeah, check them out. They are really good for making solid bikes. They really made, to me anyway, the mod popular and known. I was used to riding stock bikes, what's a 26-inch wheel. The mods are more competitive type bike with 20-inch wheels. Brilliant beginner bike. Loads of people think you're riding a BMX when you're riding these around the town or streets. But the wicked bike, and the brilliant phase now is you can chuck this in the back of any car. Goes in the van, no trouble. But lightly, you can just put the seats down in the car and get this and another one in the back, no issues. So I'd really recommend this bike. It is totally solid. Obviously not for trail riding, Canuck or the Reeking, but for fatting around on the streets, it's a brilliant bike. Hope you like this little review, and please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell because it does help with the algorithm, and I've got some more bikes to review and more trails I want to be doing. So yeah, comment away, see where you want me to go riding and I'll check it out.